I hope you're doing fantastic today. In this video I want to show you, I've never done this before, just a small unboxing video to the new, can you see them? Yeah, it's a new AirPods Pro. So, as I am also, I'm not an Apple user, I'm an Android user. I just wanna try to really fix, unbox. It's really quick, never done before. Yeah. So, oh, you can feel actually the form on the forehead here. Nice Apple logo. You can see it from the behind. And it's written in English, French, German, Italian, I believe Spanish and Japanese, yeah. So let's see how it looks like. So you open it. Now you can see. Okay, this is a box, nothing there. Heavy it, yeah. Designed by California. Now we open it here. Now this is actually nothing special. This is just what we have here. This is just a small box. Now this is just a passport, how to use them, how to charge them, how to take it out into consideration. Now this is, there's passports in different languages, so just put it aside. I put it afterwards. Okay. But what we want to have is, of course, this one. Can you see it? So now peel it up, peel it. Alright, take it off, pretty easy. Okay, now you can see here, you have like a light bulb here. What is written in behind, designed by Apple California, assembled in China. So this is how it looks like. I don't know if it's charged. Oh, it's blinking. You can't see it maybe. It's blinking. Let's just see, because my ears are pretty special when it comes to earbuds. Therefore I never had my earbuds there. It's just how it feels like. This is the right one. Okay. Feels good. Okay. I'm actually an Android user. Ooh. Is it not noise cancelling? I'm just curious.
A few minutes later.
Hey, so basically I just got the pairing. You can see here. It's written on an iPod. And yeah, what you can hear currently is my so when I push it, okay, now I can hear myself better. Now it sounds like this mode where you can hear everything better. Now I can push it one more time. Okay, this is now like this mode. Everything is like normal. And now you can hear it better. And this is the mood mode. Everything is muted. So yeah, when everything is muted, this is pretty, yeah, neat. It's better when you hear yourself, you know, especially when you're in a loud environment. You want to listen to everything. And what you have already also here is you have like this box, right? Now you get here the cable. you get a small box for other tips. I have now currently the middle size, but I can just show you. Maybe we can do it really quick. So you just pull.
Five minutes later.
Okay, it's a little bit harsh to pull them off, okay? You have to pull a little bit stronger. I put the small one in. Maybe it'll fit better into my ear. A little bit pressure, and now they're in. Same goes for the other ear. Put a little bit stronger, and lost the small one. Oops. To be a little bit careful. Yeah, but this actually is a review. So yeah, you can comment down below if you like it. I can do some more tech reviews. So yeah, have an awesome day.
Boring.